Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's English podcast is all about a very common situation. Going to a restaurant. Have you ever felt nervous when ordering food in English? Don't worry. In this lesson, you'll learn useful restaurant vocabulary, simple English phrases, and a natural conversation you can use in real life. So sit back, relax, and let's practice English together. Imagine you arrive at a restaurant. A waiter greets you. You might hear, "Good evening, welcome," or "Do you have a reservation?" A reservation means you booked a table before arriving. If you don't have one, you can say, "I don't have a reservation," or "Table for one, please." If you're with a friend, "Table for two, please." Let's repeat together. Table for one, please. Table for two, please. Excellent. Now you're seated at your table. The waiter gives you a menu. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "What's today's special?" The special is a dish the restaurant recommends that day. You might also ask, "What do you recommend?" This is a great phrase. Native speakers use it often. Let's repeat. What do you recommend? Very good. Now it's time to order. Here are some useful phrases. "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please." "I'll have the fish and chips." "Can I get a bottle of water?" Notice how polite these phrases sound. Let's practice. "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please." "I'll have the fish and chips." "Can I get a bottle of water?" Excellent. You may also have dietary requirements. For example, "Is this vegetarian?" "Does this contain nuts?" "Can I have it without cheese?" These are very useful questions. While eating, the waiter may ask, "Is everything okay?" You can reply, "Yes, everything is great," or "The food is delicious." Let's repeat, "The food is delicious." Everything is great. Wonderful. After finishing your meal, you'll need the bill. In British English, we usually say, "Can I have the bill, please?" In American English, people often say, "Can I have the check, please?" Let's practice. "Can I have the bill, please?" Thank you. The waiter brings the bill and you can pay. Simple and easy. Great job today. Remember, English becomes easier when you practice real-life situations. Try repeating these restaurant phrases again after this lesson. If you enjoyed today's podcast, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English listening and speaking practice. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.